Hello there, it's Nigby. It was my birthday yesterday, and for my birthday I got this. This, its main claim to fame is that this was my daughter and her husband moved house recently, and because they moved in, they wanted to change the door locks, so we organised changing the door locks, which very proudly she managed to do on herself. So she's turning into quite the handy woman. And they gave me the old lock for my birthday. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to celebrate my birthday present, my birthday, and their new house by picking their old door lock for them. It's just an Ultion. Even though I say just an Ultion, I find these quite tricky. Particularly the old ones, the feedback gets really faint. Just have a look at the bitting on that key as well. So 6 pins, a couple of low ones right at the front, and some really high lifts. So yeah, coming up is just my pick of M&E's all the front door lock. Put some focus on that. Yep, here it comes. Okay, M&E's front door lock in the vise. So locked up. Start down at the back. Click out of 6. Just a little click out of 1 there. Click out of 2. Little click out of 3. Another click out of 2. I got something overset there. Okay, dropped into a little bit of a false set and pulling back. I think we're just underneath number 3 now, and that's got it open. So there you go, M&E. There's your front door lock picked. Anybody else that's watching, thanks for watching.